My name is Lasha Lomjaria. I work with Greennet as a cybersecurity engineer. Greennet is located in Georgia, head office, but we have other offices in Ukraine, Poland, and around the couple of countries. So we are doing integrator job, so we are offering some services. We are gold partners with Cisco, and that's it. I am in IT field for more than 18 years, but like experts, maybe some 6 years. I've been using Cisco Duo for more than 3 years. So yes, it's quite a good experience because the first time I had the opportunity to use this product, it was interesting that it was so easy to work with. And also I have to mention that all the documentation that as administrators or users would like to have, these are all available and easy to get. So it's pretty easy. For me, the Duo services and features that they are offering is the top. So lately I had this project and I use Duo as the fully identity store. So all the users, all this information that is related to directory is we created on Duo. I like Duo because it's so easy to work with. And also the deployment part is pretty easy, and you have all these documentations, and you just making several clicks, several changes, and you are up and running. You just have to deploy these mobile clients. I don't know what they can do to make it even easier to deploy it. Just try and you will be amazed how easy and how productive this tool is.